Hello there. I'm just going to go through the carbon cycle questions, the nitrogen cycle questions that we didn't get a chance to do in the lesson, so you can crack on with them for homework and then check if you've got them right. So, carbon cycle first, and you've got a carbon cycle given to you with different processes by the side of each of the arrows. First one, process 1. So, how's CO2 going into the plant? And we know that it's photosynthesis. Describe the numbered processes that return carbon dioxide back into the atmosphere. So where are they first? There, and there. Now they are all respiration, but you have got to mention each one of those. So, quite simply, the trees release CO2 through respiration. The animals, and this is going to get a little bit repetitive, but that's what they want, because that is the answer. Release CO2 through respiration. And microorganisms, let's mix it up a bit. Microorganisms respire, releasing CO2. 1 mark, 1 mark, 1 mark, 3 marks done. Bang. Right, next one. Carbon cycle again, but some data. So, the carbon dioxide concentration in the atmosphere has changed between 58 and 92, and you've got this fluctuating picture. You've got time along the bottom, how much carbon dioxide there is in the atmosphere. So it fluctuates, going up and down, up and down, up and down, up and down. But this says describe the main trend, and it's only 1 mark. So you are looking at, quite simply, just that steady increase. So what's the main trend? The main trend is it's increasing. Okay, if it's for more marks, you talk about the fluctuations as well as the increase, but because it's just a main trend, 1 mark, you've just got to quite simply say, as time increases, so does the CO2 concentration. One mark. Right then, calculate the difference in atmospheric carbon dioxide concentration in Europe between 1980 and 1990. So you're going up and you're going across. So if you go up with a ruler and you go across with a ruler, no, you can see my magic ruler. It isn't very good because it doesn't draw straight lines. That goes there. So now you've got to think about scale. Well, 330 to 340, that means halfway is 335. So how many small squares in between? So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Each square's worth 1. So this is 339 here. So 339 there, 1990, same principle, magic ruler, up, across. That's halfway between 350 and 360, which of course is 355. You write the sum down, 355 minus 339 gives you the answer, which is, quick arithmetic, 1516. Is it? 16? I don't know, yes, it looks like it. 16. Right then. The carbon dioxide concentration changes during the year. Yes, it's this suggest question we talked about in class. So why is it going up and down year on year? Well, you've got to think about what puts in carbon dioxide in, what takes it out. So we know taking it out, the main one is photosynthesis. So we can talk about that. So seasonal changes cause more CO2 to be taken in through photosynthesis. CO2 taken through photosynthesis. Okay, so that is 1 mark, probably 2, because he's talking about the seasonal changes. So what puts carbon dioxide back out? In the carbon cycle, we'll look at factories, respiration. Well, respiration probably isn't going to change much. It's quite stable because animals don't go anywhere. They're quite constant. So, but using fossil fuels is a changeable thing depending on the time of year again. So it's just seasonal changes again. So in winter, more Fossil fuels are burnt, releasing more CO2 into the atmosphere. Okie dokie. But it's a suggest question. Like I said about suggest, think about how you apply it. Right then. Next question. Nitrates can be produced by soil bacteria. So how are nitrates? Explain how soil bacteria produce nitrates. And this is a very similar question here. These are one and the same, really. Okay, so first of all, we talk about decomposing bacteria. So decomposing bacteria break down animal, plant matter into ammonia. Right, so now we've got into ammonia, then what happens? Then we've got our second type of bacteria, it's nitrifying bacteria. So nitrifying bacteria then convert ammonia into nitrates. Now I think that is enough for the whole 3 marks. Even though we mentioned 2 bacteria, the fact that I've got ammonia in there, that will pick me another mark up as well. But just to complete the story, we've also got a third bacteria, which is nitrogen fixing bacteria, convert atmospheric nitrogen into nitrates. They're the ones on the root nodules or in the soil. And then name one bacteria that reduces, so that's denitrifying. Bacteria. And then I'm not going to write this one out again because it's the same answer. Explain how different types of bacteria to increase nitrate concentration. Okay, so that is the nitrogen cycle and the carbon cycle questions done. Voila, bye bye.